Welcome to Unlimited and our idea of transforming a bicycle into a motorbike. Start by cutting off the lower middle section of the bicycle frame. Using an extremely powerful air-cooled 4-stroke gasoline engine. Leave a comment below so we can all get to know each other. Please watch the full video to understand the process better. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support my new creations. Proceed to fabricate and install a sturdy engine mount onto the frame. This 4-stroke engine block is very compact and incredibly convenient to mount. Install the throttle system to control your speed with ease. The DIY motorized bicycle with a powerful 4-stroke engine is now complete. Now, your bicycle can move flexibly on any road. Hope you like this idea. See you in the next videos.
Can't stay here, stagnant under pressure. Let me guide you, 'cause there ain't no way. To the pressure of the outside, feel like taking over. Let me help, 'cause there ain't no way. Let me guide you.
The car is finished. Let's check the speed of this car together. Let's go to the meeting point. Today, I'm going to give you something to eat.
Let me guide you, 'cause there ain't no way to the pressure of the outside. Feel like taking over, 'cause there ain't no way. Let me guide you till we find no way.
See you in the next video. Thank you.